I just got off my bus and we got that motherfucker, man, following my bus. Literally as soon as I come into Sheffield, man, this motherfucker starts following my bus, man. I can't zoom in, but that's the police helicopter. Literally though, as soon as I get towards Sheffield, this helicopter starts circling overhead. You know what I mean? And of course, we've got the ambulance. As soon as I get here, it seems like they're trying to, you know, intimidate me or some shit. But you can see it's coming right over the top, man. See that shit? See it coming up? This motherfucker following my bus, man. Shit coming right over the top. You see that shit? You see that shit, man? Right over my head, man. Just letting me know, man. This is the intimidation tactics that they do, man. See, right overhead. See how it's right over my head? Just letting me know. See? And you can guarantee it'll follow me and keep following me. That's the police helicopter. That's South Yorkshire police fucking with me. Now I get this helicopter flying. Well, I was getting this helicopter flying over my flat constantly. But you can see it's coming from. It'll come for another pass. Just get across here without getting killed. But, you know, this is what these. She just touched her face as soon as she walked past me. And this is what they do, man. They just do shit like that to let you know. So it'll come over for another pass. And it is. Oh, it was Christ. See, they don't mess around, man. They got the bikes. They got the motherfuckers touching their face. They got the fucking helicopter shit coming over here. You know what I mean? Got all that shit going on. See, this is fucking following me, man. This is fucking following me. Look. See that shit? That's coming right over my head, man. This is fucking following me. This is the intimidation that they do. I don't know how. I've got 7 minutes to record, but you can see how it's following me. This is the psychological intimidation that they do. See, it's up there. Oh, I've got one hand there. Yeah, this is the shit I deal with on a fucking daily basis, man. These motherfuckers fucking with me. I guess I'm supposed to be afraid. Fuck off. Come now, see? Coming for another